Is it audible?
Yes.
Nyasa, audible?
Yes, much better.
Okay, thank you. Okay. One second, I'm taking little bit time because of the offline class. Little bit I got late.
No.
So okay, mole concept we were studying. Mole concept you remember but your mom says that is you need to go little faster. Okay. So
Yeah,
if you
I
talk
want to
about the mole
go.
So if you talk about the mole concept, so we have already done the calculation of number of mole. We understood number of moles, right? And second one, number of atoms. Okay, number of atoms. If you talk about the, I know, number of molecules, this all you got to number understood on that day. Or if you are having problem, you can ask.
Mm-hmm.
Number of mole you calculate by given mass upon molar mass. Number of atoms you calculate n is equal to a small n into Na, this formula. And that is number of molecules, that is n is equal to here n into Na. But what this is the problem in these two case, this one. Here in this case, what we were doing, firstly we are adding the one atoms into n into Na. This was our the concept. Okay. So this we have already done. For gaseous molecule, if you talk about 1 mole is equal to how much can you tell me? 1 mole at STP, standard temperature pressure. How much molecule will be there? Can you guess?
24 decameters cubed.
Okay. So that is 22.4 liter. That is what you are saying, right? So if you are talking about the number of 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liter. Okay. So n mole is
Liter,
equal to how can you
I
get
said
n is equal to that is n
decameter.
into 22.4 liter. That is easily you can do.
One
Otherwise,
one sec-
another
one
other concept what you can do, that is what NASA?
Yeah, I said
Yeah,
24
what you are saying?
decameter cubed.
22.4, not 24. Acha, maybe in your acha, okay. In IB book it is there that is 24 you people are using, but here you can go at STP na here 22.4 is there only. So you check in your book, it can be 24, but now what we are going the calculation at STP, we are taking 22.4 only, not the that is what you are saying, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So this, if you talk about the next, ah, so the if you are talking about the N, so this is called that is given volume upon molar volume. That way also you can calculate. A molar volume is fixed. This is molar volume is fixed. How much is 22.4 liter? And given volume it may be anything. So can you be able to understand this all the concept easily,
Yeah.
or you need any problem? Okay. So I am directly changing this mole concept to the application of mole concept. Can I change?
Yes.
Okay. See. Now application of mole concept, there are too many application are there. Application of mole concept. In which mole concept? So easiest one that we are going, that is calculation of empirical formula. This is what from the mole concept we are going calculation of empirical formula. Empirical formula. Empirical formula. And the another one is molecular formula. You are supposed to calculate the molecular formula. And one more concept is there, that is called limiting reagent. Limiting reagent. So limiting reagent. And the last one is excess reagent. So these many problem we have to study. So today we are trying to study this one, calculation of empirical formula. If you say okay, we will go forward.
Okay.
So first of all, you let me know if you are knowing anything about the empirical formula, or the tell me molecular formula. Anything you tell me,
Yeah.
molecular formula. Have you heard about this molecular formula?
Yeah. So molecular formula is yes, I have.
Okay, good, good, good. If you're talking about the molecular formula, so how can you defining molecular formula? It is exact number of atoms, exact number of atoms in a molecule of compound, in a molecule of compound, right? This is what is the molecular formula. Up now, if I will ask that is one molecule of glucose, one molecules of glucose, if I am taking G glucose, one molecule of glucose, okay, what is the, can you tell me the formula of the glucose? Can you tell me the formula of glucose, one molecule of glucose? Hmm.
C6H12O H. O6, yeah.
C6H12O6. This is one molecule of glucose contain how many carbon? Six carbon. How many hydrogen? 12 hydrogen. How many oxygen? That is six oxygen. This is what is the molecular formula MF. Getting this one?
Mm-hmm.
Now I am changing this concept to the empirical formula. Let's see. If you are writing, you let me know that you stop me. I will be stopped because you are
Okay.
uh, up now because you are very good in study, so that uh, we are going little bit faster. Empirical formula. If I will write that is empirical formula, let's see, that is empirical formula means EF. This is empirical formula. In bracket I am writing that is empirical formula. This is there the in your some syllabus only we are going. Formula. About the empirical formula, it is, they are saying it is lowest ratio of lowest ratio of okay, lowest ratio of number of atoms, lowest ratio of number of atoms in a molecule of compound, in a molecule of compound. This is what is the point in a molecules of compound. Okay, so you can see it is lowest ratio of number of atoms in a molecule of compound. Uh, is the definition is okay?
Yes.
Okay. One side I am writing molecular formula, that is MF, and another side I am writing empirical formula, that is EF. This is, we can write also empirical formula, empirical formula, and here I am writing what is molecular formula, molecular formula. Now see, the difference between empirical and molecular formula is the number of atoms only. What is the atoms I am saying? That is, if it is what the terms we are using, exact number of atoms in a molecule of compound, that is empirical formula. A molecular formula. Empirical means lowest ratio. So empirical is what lowest ratio of atoms. So suppose I am taking C6H12O6. Okay. Here I am writing that is common factor, that is called n factor. Okay. Common factor, that is also called n factor. I am writing this one. N factor. Here is factor. N factor. I will tell you what is the use of n factor. Very, very helpful. What is the common numbers is there in this one? What is the common number is there in this one? Glucose. This is
6.
glucose. What is 6? So n factor is equal to 6 is there. Now you divide this with the 6. What you are going to get? What the formula will come? Can you tell me? Hmm. What's the answer you are telling?
CH2.
CH2O. This is what is the empirical formula of glucose. Okay, now go this one. C2H2. This is what is called. This is called. If you are writing the name of this one, this is the formula is ethyne. 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 Okay. Tell me the empirical formula, please. N factor is equal to
2.
2. So n factor divide this one, so it is going to be coming CH. This is the empirical formula. Now I'm taking C6H6. C6H6 is called benzene. This is the formula of benzene. N factor is equal to 6. An empirical formula is going to be CH. Suppose you are taking ethane, C2H6, and this is what is formula of ethane. Okay, ethane. So n factor is going to be 2, and here is answer is going to be CH3. Can you guess this one? Can you guess this one?
Yeah. Once.
Okay. Can I erase? Can I erase this?
1 minute.
Ah, okay, okay. My
Yeah.
handwriting. Are you able to understand my handwriting? Because I am writing
Yes.
very roughly. Okay.
No, no, I'm able
Wherever
to.
you. Okay, thank you. So now erasing this one.
Okay.
Can I? Hmm. Now,
Yes.
huh. Now we are going for the calculating empirical formula. How can you be able to calculate the empirical formula if you talk about empirical formula calculation? So here see calculation of empirical formula. First of all, let us try to understand what are the formula is going to be. Formula. So if you talk about the formula only, formula, okay, formula. So how to understand the formula? See, if I will write molecular formula here, I am saying that is molecular formula. So what you can get molecular formula? They are saying n into empirical formula, n into empirical formula, m into empirical formula. Can you
Mm-hmm.
understand this formula? Molecular formula.
Yes.
If you multiply by n factor, suppose example, if I will write molecular formula of glucose, molecular formula of glucose. So if you write the molecular formula of glucose, n factor is 6. You can see in the previous page, n factor for glucose you wrote here is 6, right? It is 6. So what you can do here, that is n into empirical formula, that is you told me CH2O. So you can multiply C6, H12 and O6. This is what is going to be molecular formula. Can you understand this one?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the one formula which you need to keep in mind. This is going to be used later on. This is formula number one. Formula number two. Formula number two. Formula number two is going to be used. That is n factor is equal to, you are going to n factor. So this is the molecular mass. है ना? This is the molecular mass. This is the molecular mass. And molecular mass will be always given. This will be the always given. Divided by empirical mass. Empirical mass. Empirical mass, how can you calculate? From the empirical formula, easily you can calculate. If you got to know what is the empirical formula, so easily you can calculate empirical mass. So this is with the help of this one, you can easily calculate the n value, and L value can be placed here, this place. So if you are placing the n value there, so what you are going to get, you will be able to get the molecular formula. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, good, good, good. So let me try to. Can I erase now? Can I erase?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. Now see, that is calculation of empirical formula. Here is steps to calculate empirical formula. They are talking about steps to calculate empirical formula. Little bit easy one. Steps to calculate empirical formula. Calculate empirical formula. So if you are talking about five steps are there, step number one. If you talk about step number one, they are saying convert. What you have to convert? Percentage mass to gram mass. Gram mass. This is going to be step mass, which is same. Which is same. They are saying which is always same. Means what is same? That is empirical mass, and what is, if you are talking about empirical mass and no, percentage mass and which one, gram mass, that is going to be same. Percentage mass and gram mass are same. Okay, only the you need to remove the percentage sign. That is, anything is given out of 100. Out of 100 means that is the whatever percentage there, suppose 17%, it is equal to 17 gram. That is very simple. Step number two. Okay, calculate number of mole. Calculate number of mole. given mass upon molecular mass. This is the point number 2, given mass upon molecular mass. Now, if you talk about the next one, next point, one second, someone is calling. Okay, so one molecular mass, given mass is the gram mass, and molecular mass you can calculate. Molecular mass here is there in the case of this one, or I'm writing the different way, which one will be used. Here n is equal to, you need to use atomic mass. Atomic mass, or atomic mass will be downside. One second, one second. Here is the given mass, will be the given mass of atom. Okay, given a mass of atom. So what will be there? Atomic mass of atom. Atomic mass of atom, the first day in the demo class itself I told you, given mass of atom divided by atomic mass of atom. Can you understand this one? Atomic mass of atom. Can you be able to understand this one, this point? Number of
Yes.
moles of atom you can calculate. Ah. Now the second point, let us go with the second point, step number 3. So if you are talking about step number T, they are saying divide, divide the obtained mole. They are saying divide the obtained mole, obtained mole with what? With lowest, lowest, lowest mole, lowest mole. So all the moles, whatever you are going, you need to divide lowest mole. Okay, why you are dividing? To get least ratio, to get least ratio. You know what we are going to, we need to get the least ratio, to get least ratio, least ratio. So smallest ratio, it is the simple concept of the ratio of mathematics, that is you divide by the lowest number. Now step number 4, step number 4, they are saying, in case of, what you are talking about, in case of, that is if you are getting fraction, in case of fraction. Okay, or fraction means what you can write? Decimal. In case of fraction or decimal, convert into, they are what? Lowest, convert into lowest whole number ratio, lowest whole number ratio. See, lowest whole number ratio. They are saying that is atom cannot be in the fraction. We have to take always in the whole number form. So if it is coming in the suppose 1.5, so we need to convert into the 3 by multiplying with the 2. So last one, step number 5. Okay, find the, they are saying, find the empirical formula. Find the empirical formula. So this is what is the concept. Okay, firstly, you try to understand this one.
Mm. 1 second, I'm noting it down.
Okay, okay, you can do note, please.
Okay, yeah, done.
Okay, 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 okay. Wait. I'm sharing the one screen. Let us wait. Please wait. Please wait a moment.
Yeah.
I'm sharing the screen. Where is the screen? Is it visible to you? Screen is visible to you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. See, anything is there written on the screen?
A compound contains.
They are saying there is. Let me see what is that. No, no, no. Wait, share the file. It's not allowing to write on a screen, so that little bit I need to change with some other app. Where means what I need to do to write here on a screen. Wait, I need to write on screen. Then, uh, wait, Nasa. Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah, yeah, I'm
It's
waiting.
not. Uh, what is the problem? That is not 12. This is already solved. One. Okay. The same compound we are going here. Now it can be the visible to you. I erasing this one. See, all the apps are not allowing to write, so that's the problem is all about. Okay, let's see the one question number one. Okay. What are the question number one? Here you see a compound contains how much they are talking about. Here there a compound contains 4.07% hydrogen, 24.27% carbon, and 71.65% chlorine. Its molecular mass is there. What is the empirical formula and molecular formula? This they are asking. Okay. Now we are supposed to solve this problem. Okay. How can you be able to solve? First of all, I told you very early that we need to convert the step number one. Here I am writing step number one. This is step number one. Then we will go step number two, number three. Then here is step number four, and then we will write. Step number one is the element. Okay. Firstly, element you write elements. Okay, element what there? Carbon. No, no. First one is hydrogen. First element is hydrogen. You write in the same order hydrogen, then carbon, then chlorine. Hydrogen percentage you see how many are there? 4.07%. Chlorine if you talk carbon you found 24.27%. And chlorine if you are writing 71.65%. This is there. Now here what we can do here in this case, the second things which you are writing after element, percentage you got है ना? Percentage. So percentage got means step number two you are saying you need to convert into what? You need to convert into, that is percentage mass means gram mass, right? And I told you gram mass is same as percentage mass, so it is going to be 4.07 gram. This is, that is 24.27 gram, and here is, this is 71.65 gram. Now after gram mass you need to calculate step number three. What is step number three? Nyasa, can you tell me what is the step number three? Yes. What is?
Yeah, this is number 3, and then
Hmm.
you divide it by the lowest.
Number of moles. Okay, so that is number of mole is n is equal to uh, given mass upon atomic mass. See, so given mass is there for hydrogen. Here you see this is the 4.07. So here is n is equal to 4.07 upon what is there? Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. If you talk about the carbon, so given mass is 24.27, and molecule atomic mass of carbon is, do you know? Hydrogen mass is 1, carbon is 12, chlorine is 35.5, right? So here is 12, and this case if you are talking about n, it is 71.65, it is going to be how much? 35.5. Okay. Now see what you can do in this case. So see, if you are dividing this one, so it will going to come, that is 4 approx, and this is going to be 2 approx, and this is going to be again 2 approx. Okay, this will be 35.5 into 71. So they are approx we are calculating. Okay, now see step number 4. Step number 4. Step number 4, they are going to, they are saying convert this one moles into lowest ratio. How can you convert? Whatever the mole come na, divide by the smallest number. So 4 by 2, so it is coming 2. 2 by 2, it is coming 2. Here is 2 by 2, it is also coming 2. Okay, now here is something, no, one, here is one, sorry, can you see, can you
Yeah.
see this one?
Yes.
Now this is the lowest ratio and whole number ratio. If whole number ratio is there, so you need not to do anything. If anything is whole number ratio. So what we are going to do here is carbon I am writing first. Carbon is 1, hydrogen how many? 2, and chlorine is how many? 1. So it is, or you can write CH2Cl. This is what is the empirical formula. Guess it. Can you understand this one? Or
Yeah.
facing trouble?
No, no, it's not.
Okay. Can you make a note of it?
Yes. Okay, done.
Okay, thank you. Now, what I am going, a little bit forward I am moving. See, at molar mass they have given, yes or no? Here is molar mass is given, you can see. Yes. So given what is given here, they are saying given molar mass given, molar mass. So molar mass given, how much it is there? They are saying 98.96. This much is given. Empirical mass we have to calculate. Empirical mass. Empiric mass of what is empirical formula? CH2Cl. So how much is there? Carbon 12, 2 hydrogen means 1 into 2, 1 chlorine is 35.5. You check how much is coming, 14 plus 35.5. It means 0.5 is there, 5 for 9 and 49.5. Right. This is empirical mass. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
N
Yeah.
factor is equal to n factor is equal to what is their molecular mass upon molecular mass you are saying 98.96 and empirical mass 49.5, right? So this is what, how much is going to come if you are divide, it is going to be 2. Okay, so if it is going to be 2, so that is molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula, n into empirical formula. So n is 2, empirical formula how much is there? Empirical formula, if you are writing, how much is empirical formula? CH2Cl. So what will be there? C2H4Cl2. This is our required answer. Check if you can understand.
Yeah.
Hmm. Can you write this one or should I erase?
No, I've written it down.
Done.
Yes.
Okay. Can I give you the problem? Will you solve?
Sure.
Okay. Wait. Let me check the problem. Right. One second. Got it. Either I need to write this all or I need to share the screen. That's two option we are having. So, okay. Hmm. Hmm. I'm writing the question because if I will share the screen, it will be problem only. So let me write down the. Okay.
Okay.
Question I'm writing. You also you can write and then you try to solve that one. Okay, very easy problem. These all are the easy. I have taken from the IB book only. Okay, so this problem you can try to solve. They are saying the first question they are saying a compound contain. Here they are saying a compound contain what they have contained. A compounds contain 7. A compound contain 38.8% carbon, 16% hydrogen, and 45.2% of nitrogen. Okay, what is the empirical formula of compound they are talking? What is the formula of compound? Can you try? Can you try this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So first one is elements. Is there elements? You also try, and also I am also trying to try this one. Elements, percentage, gram, mole, ratio. Okay, formula. So element is what is there? Carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen. So carbon is how much? 16%? No, 38.
38.8.
38.8. And here is 16%, 45.2%. Okay, they are given in the percentage. Now here is gram, that is same will be 38.8, 16, 45.2. Moles, if you are calculating, carbon atomic mass is 12, hydrogen 1, and nitrogen, if you talk about, that is 14. So let us see. And given mass means 38.8 divided by 12, and here is 16 by, if you are dividing this one 16 by, it is 1. And the next one, if you are talking about next one, what is there? This is the 45.5. No, 45.2. This is the 2. 45.2 by what will come? 14 will come. See, you solve it. If you are solving this one, how much is coming? It is, if you solve this one, let me see. You
Yeah.
can use the calculator. If you are using the calculator, it is coming how much? 3.2. 3.2. You can check 3.2. It is coming 16, and it is, if you are coming, it is also coming 3.2 only, right? 3.2, 3.2, right? Now what we need to do, we need to divide it. We need to divide it. So if you are dividing with the lowest number, because we need to have the lowest ratio, not the largest ratio. So 3.2 is the smallest of all. 3.2 by 3.2, 16 by 3.2. Okay, and here is 3.2 by 3.2. Can you understand this step?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the one is coming. Here is, if you are dividing this one, so how much? 16
Oh, 5. You get 5.
divided by 16 divided by, so how much is coming this one? 16
5.
divided by 3.2, 5.
5.
5 na, sure na, 5. And this is 1. So formula, now it is whole number. So this is C H5 and N. This is what is empirical formula.
Yeah, but then
CH5.
you would, but then you would
And you can
rewrite it
write this
as
compound
CH.
is, what is compound? CH3NH2. This is compound. This is CH3NH2. It
Yeah.
means this is called amine, methylamine.
Yes.
Methyl. Okay, understood
Why
so
is it
far?
not CH2NH3?
CH2, nitrogen valency maximum is 3 now.
Oh,
Maximum
yeah.
valency
Then
of
it won't
nitrogen
be
is
able to
3.
come. Yeah, okay,
Why
okay, got it.
3? See, nitrogen is having atomic number
No,
7.
no, I know, I know. I know
Ah,
nitrogen and all that, but then I was just, yeah, I know.
okay. So nitrogen valency is 3, means that is 3 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, and that is one type of bond is here also, NH2. So one here and two here. So one here, two here means what is total 3, and carbon valency 4. So here 3 and 1 4. Are you able to understand this one? Yes, yeah, no?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes. So it's methylamine, right?
Methylamine. NH2 group is what is, that is amine group. AMINE, amine. And this is CH3 is methyl. This is methyl. So name will be what is, that is going to be methylamine. Done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So can I erase this one? Can I?
Yeah, you can.
Erase?
Yes.
Can I erase? Okay.
Yes.
What? Actually, this is the 40 minutes over. So what will happen? It is going to disconnect. Okay. So once more, please you join. I am sharing you another link. You join that link, please now.
Okay.
Okay.